It is my pleasure to present this AACR Centennial Medal for Distinguished Public Service to Ms. Kathy Giusti. Kathy?
Thank you so much, Marge and Ray, for that very thoughtful introduction. I'm absolutely humbled to receive this award because I have so much respect for your work and also for my fellow recipients, Stand Up to Cancer and the Valvano Foundation. When I was diagnosed with multiple myeloma in 1996, I was told that it was uniformly fatal. I would live 3 years, long enough perhaps to see my 1-year-old daughter, Nicole, attend kindergarten. I really didn't want to believe those statistics, but there was no awareness, no funding, and there were no drugs in the pipeline. So I knew it would take dramatic change to see progress in my lifetime or even the next generation's lifetime. So I founded the MMRF in 1998 with the hope that we could create such change, and I was just unbelievably fortunate, perhaps blessed, to work with the most amazing scientists, clinicians, and leaders in the pharmaceutical industry who really embraced our whole goal of getting new drugs to patients as quickly as we possibly could. So together, we focused on raising awareness of the disease and raising the dollars that were needed to attract scientific talent to the field of myeloma. And to date, we've raised over $120 million and fund 90 researchers around the world. But as a community, also early on, we realized that myeloma is just unbelievably heterogeneous and complex. So we had to build a tissue bank so we could study its basic biology. And today, that tissue bank houses over 2,000 bone marrow biopsies with matching peripheral bloods. And we're taking the highest quality tissue samples and working with Todd Golub and Eric Lander at the Broad Institute and TGen to be the first to sequence our genome. And you'll be hearing a lot more about that in the near future. All of the data is shared on our public portal for all of the scientists and individuals in industry to utilize. As new drugs fortunately entered the field of myeloma, we also knew we had to find speed and efficiency. So we built our own consortium, a clinical trials network, and that network is now comprised of 15 of the best academic centers in the field of myeloma. Together, we've launched 18 phase 1 and 2 trials of some really, really exciting next generation therapies. And we just did a full review of all those trials, and we found out that we have been able to initiate those trials 30 to 40% faster than the current academic and industry standards. So it is now a whole new world for multiple myeloma patients, and thank God they don't hear the dismal statistics that I heard when I was diagnosed. Now they have reason for so much hope. 4 new drugs approved in the last 4 years. Their lifespan has more than doubled from 3 years to 7 years, and our 5-year survival has climbed to 40%. Looking back, I'm unbelievably proud of our team at the MMRF, but equally as proud of the amazing scientists, clinicians, and industry leaders who really got together and collaborated to make sure this progress happened quickly. And I would be remiss if I didn't explain to you today that while I've been very much the business, side by side with me has been Dr. Ken Anderson, helping on the science and the clinic, and is very much the reason for a lot of our success. So as a patient, I really do understand what all these results and progress means. It means having milestones that you never, ever dreamed were possible. I can tell you, Now that my 1-year-old daughter is 14 and a freshman in high school, and my second child, David, is 11, that I've had a tremendous journey with them. I know every costume that they wore on Halloween night. I know the expression on David's face when he hit his first home run. I know the detail of Nicole's confirmation dress. And I can't even begin to tell you the pride I felt when last month that 14-year-old little girl held her first cancer fundraiser for Stand Up to Cancer at her high school and spoke in front of an audience of 500. I am so proud of them and so proud of every moment I've shared with them. And that's why I really wanted to be here with you today, because it's been an amazing journey with them, and it's been an amazing journey with all of you. You see, not a day goes by that I don't marvel at your tenacity, your determination, your compassion for patients. So I humbly accept this award on behalf of each and every one of you who come together in the same spirit of hope that we founded the MMRF upon. Thank you so very much, and God bless.